Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a modern simple house in SketchUp with a floor plan. Then first of all we can choose the rectangle in here to make the fundamental, and we can double click and make group. So and then we can make the tape measure tool in here and also the horizontal one, and then we can click from this one until around 6 meter in here. Oh sorry, I have to make sure that the dimension I have to make sure that the dimension is on the meter, is on the millimeter, sorry, on the millimeter, and area is with the meter in here. Okay, then now we can click this tape measure tool again, click and type 6 meter for the carport area, and also 6 meter to the behind, and then we can make a little landscaping in here and some of terrace area around 3 meter in here. Then we can move it to the behind around 3.5 meter in here, and this one 3.5 meter in here, and for the bathroom is around 1.6 meter, and this one 2 meter in here, then 3.5 meter in here again. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in first for the bedroom, for the carport, and also bedroom in here. Okay, and okay, so this is about the main floor, and this is about the garden, about 2 meter. Okay, and then now we can select the landscaping in here. Okay, and then we can select the concrete in here. Okay, to make okay, now we can click and explode this one, and we can make the decking in here. Sorry, we can make the decking, and then we can assign about the materials for the carport materials, and also the another materials for the flooring in here. I will use this one for the flooring materials on the bedroom and some of the room, and then for the bathroom we make this one, and just assign about this one, and triple click, and okay, we can erase some unnecessary line over there and erase. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary line, then we can triple click and also make group. Then we can make the line in here. Okay, offset it inside 150 millimeter in here. Okay. Okay, then we can type 1 meter in here and triple click and also make group. Then okay, we can make the another line. Okay, we can make the another line in here. Okay, we can triple click. Okay, 75 and 75 in here. Okay, we can erase, we can make the line in here and make the line in here. Okay, and then now we can click this line and select move and place to the position, and select this line, select move, place, and place, move, tab control, and place on the surfaces. Okay, then we can click, select move, and place to the position in here, and then now we can okay, now we can put another door element in here. Okay, we can make group and select move, tab control, and also place to this another position. Okay, maybe we can make the another element in here. Okay, we can flip along with the red. Sorry, we can flip along with the green Okay, and move to the position in here. Okay, we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, then we can select move tab control, and we can place the door in here. Can flip with the green and flip with the red position in here. Can push it to the behind in here. Okay, then we can select move tab control and flip with the green. Okay, then we can place the door, the bathroom door in here, on the position in here. Okay, we can flip along with the red and also place to the position in here. And okay, for that one, and we can move. Okay, right now we can make the another clear area in here, because we would make the large glazing in here. This is the large glazing on the backyard. Okay. Okay, and we can make a large glazing. Okay, and then now we can select the glazing. And place to that position in here. Okay, and now we can type we can type perimeter. So the wall height is around 4 meter in here, or maybe we can make it more. Okay, we can make the wall in here. Okay. And make the wall in here. Okay, and then we can also make the another glazing in here, the large glazing, for make a large window in here to make a modern vibes of the house in here. Okay, then now we can make the flat roof in here and push it down. Okay, now we can make the another element of the roof. Okay. Okay, we can select the roofing. We can select the roofing materials using this one. Okay, then now this is the window of the bedroom. The window of the bedroom. Okay, now we can make the another element. Okay, like front element, and we can push it down around 300 millimeter, and this one. Okay, we can make the another things in here. Okay. Okay, I will make the another siding materials on this position, and I will make the another component material like a stone in here, like a stone on the entrance in here. Okay, and just like this. And we can activate about the shadow in here. Okay, and we can move it up. Okay. Then now we can assign about the materials. Okay, just like this. And I will make the another component this one, or maybe we can make this one to be component. And this is a modern house. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit of you, and you can also explore more about this house 3D modeling in here. And I will show you about the floor plan, area of the house, just like this approximately. Okay, just like this. This is a carport with two capacity of car in here, and this is an entrance, and this is guest room and communal room, living room. This is bedroom, and this is a laundry room maybe. So I will share about this is a laundry room anyway, and this is about the three-dimensional of the house. Okay, I will move the car in here. Okay, just like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.